Get Ready With Me with OLENS' makeup artist. I had the opportunity to shoot with OLENS, to work with OLENS as a model, and I filmed the whole process of getting ready, getting my makeup done, and my hair done. So let's hop right into it. First, she prepped my makeup with a spray, and here you can see what makeup look she kind of goes for and what hair she wants to do. And the whole process took about 1.5 hours. After skin prep, she applied foundation. I also asked her what her favorite foundation is, and she told me she likes to work with Wakey Makey, I think it's the name, or with Hints or Clio. Even though the look was a little bit more Western inspired and the eye makeup was a little bit heavier, she did a very light job with my foundation and my contour, and she also did just very light bronzing and blush action. I feel like just the makeup, the eye makeup was a little bit more heavy, so the whole coverage was very light. But one thing that really amazes me, even though they use a light coverage foundation or they just apply a very thin layer of foundation, they usually really focus that the foundation looks good, or at least that the base looks good. So they're also gonna conceal every little pimple or blemish that you have. They're gonna do color correction, not all of them, but most of the time. So they don't have to do that much Photoshop at the end. And that's what's really impressive, I think. As you can see, the eye makeup, she applied also false lashes, which is usually not my thing. I think I look weird with false lashes, but okay, you do you. And she also used the wooden stick and a lighter to curl my lashes to make them stay up longer, which is also, I think, a very typical Korean technique. I really would love to list what she uses on me, but I literally can't remember, or I couldn't really tell at all. As I said before, I just asked about the foundation or makeup products she likes to use in general, and the only thing that I actually could see was the lip product, and it's actually a lip product that I use myself, and it's from Romand. It's their Juicy Lasting Tint, if I remember correctly, and it's actually a really nice product as well. Let me tell you guys a little bit about my experience while shooting with OLENS. It was actually very interesting and not like the shootings that I had before. With this one, for example, I had to come for a test shooting beforehand so they could see what kind of concepts I would fit, or what I can do, or if I just would fit the brand in general. And after they approved, then I could actually go for the real shooting. But actually, it wasn't really a photo shooting, it was more like a video thing that I was there for, which I also didn't know at the beginning. So basically, I took pictures with just one pair of lenses with a very mystery and chic concept, and all the other hours I was there, I basically just filmed with a few different lenses, and I basically just wanted to film them with my eyes because my eyes are kind of hazel, and this is what they filmed for the rest of the day. So in general, I was a bit surprised how the day was going, but I think that's just how they work, and it was still a very good experience, I guess. So I learned for the future, so I was really thankful that I could work with them or for them. As for my hair, actually they kept it really simple because I already had waves, so she just fixed the upper part of my hair, and that's basically it for my hair as well. Here, this is the finished makeup look. Not something I would usually go for, it's very different, but I think it looks kind of good on camera. So what do you think? Do you like it?